Welcome to the class. Myself Ashwini, lecturer in statistics, and today's topic from time series, it is straight line trend or least square method. In least square method, it is a straight line trend. How to solve the given problem using straight line, that is it is in the form of y is equal to a plus bx. Let us see the problem first. The problem says this is straight line trend. Straight line trend. In that problem, fit a straight line trend. Fit a straight line trend by least square method. Least square method, and find trend values. Also estimate production in 2011, and they have given year 2002, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and production in 1000 quintals. Yes, this is the problem they have given. See the problem here and the production. This year we will take it, we will consider it as x, but in year it is a very huge value. We will not take those values, and the production we denoted by y, capital letter Y. Next, now we have to find the x value, because we have a straight line equation. Straight line equation is y is equal to a plus bx. Using this equation, we have to find the trend values. Here a and b are the two constants. Here we have to find a and b values first, then we will find the trend values. To find this a and b values, we have two normal equations. So normal equations are summation y is equal to na plus b summation x, and summation of xy is equal to n into summation x, a into summation x plus b into summation x square. See, these two are the normal equations. Normal equations for straight line equation. Normal equations for straight line trend, that is summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. Summation xy is a into summation x plus b into summation x square. See, first to find the constants of a and b, we have to solve these two normal equations. See that equations, we want summation of y, that is we have to add the values of y, and summation of x values, summation of x into y, that summation, and x square summation. So that using these data, we have to find x square and summation of xy. To find the x values, we will use the years. See the year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here they have given 7 years. We will take the middle of the year. Here it is 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 7 and 2008. We will take middle year, then we will take the deviation, and this x is nothing but, to find the x, we have to take the deviation from 2005 to 2002. We will take the deviation of 2002 minus 2005. This x, to find x is equal to 2002 minus 2005. This is just one small information to find the x values. 2002 minus 2005 is minus 3. 2003 minus 2005 is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. We have to take, or we have to do the summation of x. It should be equal to 0. We should make this summation of x equals to 0, so that we will do the manipulating the here. Always we should get summation x should be 0. So by that we can solve the normal equation. Next is find x square. This x value should be squared. 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 and 9. And summation of x square is equal to 28. So first you have to take and you have to make yourself summation x should be equal to 0. For that we will do the manipulations in the year. Then we will calculate x square. Next is x into y. X means this column, y is the production column, and we have to calculate this x into y. And this summation is summation of xy is equal to 21, and here summation y is equal to 91, and here n is equal to 7. N is nothing but number of years we have taken, so that is 7 years they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here n is equal to 7, summation y is equal to 91, summation x is 0, x square is 28, xy is 21. So after finding these things, we will go for the normal equations. First you just see the normal equation. You see the normal equation here. Summation y is equal to NA plus summation NA plus B summation x, and summation xy is A summation x plus B summation x square. And to find the A value, we will consider this equation 1. Okay, that is summation y is equal to NA plus B summation x. We will take this equation. See, in this equation, the summation x is equal to 0. I will substitute that. Summation y is equal to 91, or else I will take as it is. Summation y is equal to n into a plus b into summation x is 0. So summation y is equal to na, or a is equal to summation y by n. By using the first equation, we have to find the a value, so that it is a is equal to summation y by n, and this a is equal to summation y is 91 and n is equal to 7. So our a value is 13. Similarly, after finding this, we will go for the next equation, that is second one. This is equation 2, this is equation 1 we have taken. Here I will take this equation, that is summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. Again I will substitute summation x equals 0, summation xy is equal to a into 0 plus b into summation x square. So this is summation xy is equal to b into summation x square, or b is equal to summation of xy divided by summation of x square. So we will find the value of b. B is equal to summation xy is 21 and x square is 28, and b value is 0.75. I'll repeat the procedure. After completing this table, we are using first normal equation, that is summation y is equal to na plus b summation xy. We will find the value of a. Using second normal equation, we will find the value of b. Next is to find the trend values. Next step is to find the trend values, that is y is equal to, or y calculated is equal to a plus bx. Here I will substitute a value is 13 plus b value is 0.75 and x values we have to take. See, for that x values are to be considered this column. These are the x values we should substitute in this equation for each and every year, then we will find the y calculated or the trend value. This is also called it as trend. See here a is 13, b is equal to 0.75 and x equals, I will consider it as, remain it as it is, and this x value should be this one. First equation I will write, that is 13 plus 0.75 into minus 3. Similarly 13 plus 0.75 into minus 2. 13 plus 0.75 minus 1. 13 plus 0.75 into 0. 13 plus 0.75 minus, plus 1. 13 plus 0.75 2. 13 plus 0.75 3. So substituting these values, we will get the trend values as 10.75, 11.5, 12.25, 13, 13.75, 14.5, 15.25. After adding this column, this trend value, your y calculated should be 91. Or approximately you will get 91, so that this calculated value and the given value, production value, both the columns, the sum of both the columns are same. After finding these trend values, the next step is we have to estimate the production in the year 2011. Here they are ended up by 2008. For 2011 we have to calculate the production. To calculate 2011 production for 2011, our x value should be, first we have to find the x values for this equation, so that I'll follow the same procedure, that is here 2002 minus 2005 I got minus 3. Similarly here if to find the x values for 2011, it is 2011 minus 2005. So that our x value is 6. So our x value is 6. Now I substitute that value in the equation. Our y is equal to a plus bx. This is a is 13 plus 0.75 into 6. So y for 2011, that is production of 2011, is approximately 17.5. 17.5. After finding this, your calculated value or y calculated for 2011 is 17.5. We have to write the straight line equation as y is equal to 13 plus 0.75 x. In examination, they will ask this type of problem for 10 marks, and tables will, each column will also carries marks. A and B values carries 1 mark, your normal equation carries 1 mark, and the substitution of trend values will also carries marks. Calculated estimated value will also carries marks. Totally, if they ask this problem, that is for 10 marks. This is a problem about if the year if we get odd year, the problem will be like this. If the years are in even numbers, next we are going to solve the problem. Here we have to find straight line, we have to fit the straight line trend by least square method. Trend values, also estimate the production for 2010, and the problem is like this. This is an year 1980, 85, 90, 1995, 2000, 2005, and sales, it's in 1000. See here in year column we have even number of years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here n is equal to 6. Here we will not get the middle year. To find out that, we will take the average of these two. The average of these two is, that is 1990 plus 1995 by 2, it is 1992.5. So you will get 1992.5. To estimate the x value, we know that our summation of x should be 0. To make this, now we will do the manipulations. To find x values, this x column should be 1980 minus 1992.5 divided by 5 because the difference between the years are 5. So I will divide this by 5, or I will take this as x only, small x. Here it is capital X. The difference between the years is 5. Then you multiply this by 2, so that you will get, once I will show you, 1980 minus 1992.5 divided by 5 multiply by 2, so that you will get the value minus 5. Similarly, you can follow the steps for everything. It is minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3 and 5. And again the summation is equal to 0. And the next column is finding the x square, x into y. It is 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25. And summation of x square is equal to, summation of x square is 70. And to find x into y, it is minus 80, minus 60, minus 18, 15, 54, 105, and summation of xy is equal to 16. After finding this, after completing this table, the next step is to find the constants of a and b. Here directly I will write the constants of a and b. To find a is equal to summation of y by n, and to find b, it is summation of xy divided by summation x square. In last problem I showed you how to find the a and b, how to get a and b by substituting summation x equals 0. In this directly I have taken the formula. Here y is equal to summation y, this summation y is equal to 108. So I will take the 108 divided by n is equal to 6, and your a value is 18, and summation xy 16 by 70, 0.2285. After this, write the equation, that is y is equal to a plus bx. This is a is 18 plus 0.2285 into x. After writing the straight line equation, this is a straight line equation. After writing straight line equation, we have to find the calculated or a trend value. Trend value is a plus bx, or y calculated is 18 plus 0.2285 into x. Last problem I showed you how to find the or substitute the values. So trend value column is like this: 16.86, 17.32, 17.77, 18.23, 18.68, 19.14. After finding the trend values, the next step is to find the or estimate the production for 2011. So production or a sales for 2010. To find X is equal to, it is again 2010 minus 1992.5 divided by 5, multiply by 5. So you will get the X value as 7. X equals 7, and Y calculated is 18 plus 0.2285 into 7. So calculated for 2010 is production is 19.5995. In exam they will ask this problem for 10 marks again. If they will not ask for trend values and the estimated values, it simply if they ask to find A and B and the straight line equation till here, if you do, it will be for 5 marks. Otherwise, if you find the trend values and the estimated values, it will be a 10 marks. Thank you.